We are showing you how to make an automatic news website free without any programming language. First, you need to buy one domain and hosting. The best domain and hosting provider website link are given in video description. Click the link and buy domain and hosting. Now log in your website cPanel using your username and password. Click File Manager. Now you have to download a website zip file. The download link is given in the video description. Unzip the zip file. Upload the website zip and installer.php file within your file manager. Now extract the website zip file within your file manager. Now find and delete WAP config.php file. Now open your browser tab and type your domain.com/installer.php and hit enter. Select I have read and accept all terms and notifications and click Next. Now you have to install a database by putting here database name, database username, and database password. Go to the cPanel and click the MySQL database. Create a database name. Create user and user password. Now add a user to your database. Select user and select database. Click Add. Select all privileges and click Make Changes. Now type your database name, database username, and password. You can change the website title here, or you can change it later. Click Option and type Website Admin username and password. Click Site Login. The WordPress website admin panel is ready. Type username and password and log in. This is your automatic news website admin area. You can customize your website here as you want. Also, you can earn money from Google Adsense. Just integrate Google Adsense. Let's check the website. Here you can see all the latest news automatically posted on this website. So you don't need to update this website anymore. It will update itself. If your website shows internal server error, then just change your file permission.